Basically with me and my husband, we gave ourselves like a sort of 3-week plan to see if veganism would have any effect, or I suppose at the time it was more plant-based eating, if that would have any effect on our overall health. Now we weren't in sort of bad health per se, but you know, we knew that we weren't sleeping well, we were definitely not rested. You know, things like my hair and nails, I just seen such a rapid decline, and I always had great teeth. And there was just little things that I kind of began to notice, and I just thought, I just don't feel 100%, I don't feel tip-top, and I know that I can do better, I can feel better. My husband felt exactly the same, both under a lot of stress because we were in Chicago, and long story, but yeah, visa issues and all the rest of it. So yeah, like within 3 weeks, we both checked in with each other, and he said, I mean, I feel brilliant, I've never slept better. He hates me saying this, but I think it's really important to say it. He kind of basically stopped sweating. You know, I'm not saying like he perspired like, you know, at a rapid rate or anything, but you know, it was obviously something that was like an issue for him. And it just kind of disappeared. And yeah, so like, and obviously with me, it was like, I was sleeping so much better. I felt so rested. My hair, skin and nails, I could see the improvement like within 3 weeks. And just, I felt lighter in myself, and you know, not to get into like, you know, all I would say is Gillian McKeith would be proud. You know, there is, you know, my stool sample would have been, you know, on point, let's put it that way. So yeah, it was all those kinds of things that you kind of think are not that important, you know, how regular are you and all that kind of stuff, but actually it really affects your day-to-day health and how you feel. So all of that combined meant that after 3 weeks we just thought, this is a no-brainer. There is no way that we're going back to the way that we were eating before. And then it kind of just unfolded from there. We kind of learned more about the environmental impacts and the ethical side of things, and it was just like an overload of what have we been doing for 30 years of our lives, you know? Like, this seems crazy that we've only just discovered this, but you know, we haven't looked back.